Hello, this is the Biyovent ventilator produced by Biosis Biomedical. In this video, we will show volume control modes of the Biyovent. In volume control modes, airway pressure depends on tidal volume, inspiration time, airway resistance, and respiratory system compliance. The set tidal volume is always delivered to the patient. Now, we will show you volume control modes in the Biyovent ICU type ventilator. Now, we will show you volume control modes in the Biyovent ICU type ventilator. The first one is volume target continuous mandatory ventilation mode. This mode is entirely machine controlled with no influence from the patient on breathing initiation, continuation, or termination. It delivers the desired fixed volume at a set frequency. The tidal volume is adjusted as a volume target. This mode's key features can be listed as being volume targeted, time cycled, and it has inactive trigger and constant flow. Our second mode to show is volume target assist control ventilation mode. This mode allows breathing to be initiated by the patient or the mechanical ventilator. If the patient makes a respiratory effort, it is supported to the preset volume. If the patient does not make any effort or breathes below the target rate, the ventilator completes the breathing to the set rate. If the patient makes more respiratory efforts than the target rate, the ventilator supports each effort to the target tidal volume. So we can say that this mode is volume targeted, time cycled, and it has inactive trigger and constant flow as well. The next mode we are going to mention is volume target synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation mode. This mode combines volume targeted, time cycled breaths with pressure support for spontaneous breaths between mandatory breaths. The target mandatory minute ventilation is determined by tidal volume and total breath count. Also, this mode is volume targeted and time cycled. What's different about this mode is, it is patient or mechanically ventilator triggered and has constant flow. Shortly, it provides pressure support to spontaneous breaths between mandatory breaths. Also, we have volume assured pressure controlled ventilation mode. In this mode, ventilation is ensured at a set volume, with pressure adjusted to achieve this volume. PRVC stands for Pressure Regulated Volume Control. In this mode, a target volume is set, and the ventilator adjusts the pressure to deliver this volume to the patient's lungs. The PRVC mode ensures a stable tidal volume while adjusting pressure, managing breathing safely and effectively. This mode considers both volume and pressure variables, making it a suitable option for patients. Last mode we are going to talk about is Volume-Synchronized Intermittent Mandatory Ventilation, Pressure-Regulated Volume Control with Pressure Support. This mode ensures the patient breathes at a specific tidal volume, while also supporting spontaneous breaths. This facilitates both controlled ventilation and patient-initiated breathing. It must not be forgotten that all of these modes should be used under doctor supervision. Thank you.